Good morning, my beloved and loving parents, administrators, and teachers. It's with great pride that I present to you the obedient, thoughtful, and generous and cheerful voice of Prep Analysis 1. And of course, here is our motherly advisor and very patient mentor, Mrs. Annalisa Ocampo Pagaragan.
Thank you, Carl.
You're welcome, Miss Anna.
May we invite Reverend Father Dominic Abella, our OFF CAP, our campus minister, and Mr. Leonardo Dizu, our
letter A.
Jacob Lorenzo Atanasio Cano.